Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying hardware so you don't chase ghosts. Check the Ethernet cable and try a different LAN port or device to isolate the fault. Once done, restart the router and your PC power cycle clears many link negotiation glitches. Next, open Device Manager and inspect the network adapter for warnings or disabled status. If it's flagged, right-click to enable. These steps remove physical or basic driver-level causes before deeper config changes. Now focus on the IP stack, because an unidentified network usually means bad addressing. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, then /flushtons, then /renew to force new leases. If that fails, reset the TCP/IP stack with netch-int IP reset and netch-winsock reset, then reboot. This rewrites corrupted network settings. Make sure the Ethernet adapter is set to obtain IP and DNS automatically, or temporarily, assign a valid static IP to confirm DHCP issues. Finish by handling drivers and services since mismatches or stopped services cause unidentified networks. Update or roll back the NIC driver in Device Manager. Prefer the manufacturer's driver over Windows' generic ones. Verify DHCP client and network location awareness are running because they determine network identity. Once done, reboot and retest. If problems persist, try a USB Ethernet adapter to rule out hardware, or perform a system restore to a known working point. Troubleshooting tip: check Windows firewall or third-party security blocking network profiles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.